Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this simple natural hair look. So if you'd like to see this video, just keep watching. Alright guys, so this is my simple natural hair look. I'm just in the beginning just taking out the braids that I had in my hair before, and I'm gonna blow out my hair because it has been really hot here in Atlanta, and so my hair was just trying to poof out and go crazy. So that's why I braided it down, and then I was just like, well, let me twist the ends. So anyway, like I said, I'm just gonna blow it out. But yeah, I was trying to figure out a style that I can wear, you know, if I actually need to go out, and also just around the house, something simple but still kind of feminine, because putting the braid straight back, I was kind of feeling like, you know, I don't know, unfeminine. So I wanted to look feminine. So I was like, oh, let me just try this style. Well, actually, my sister told me, we were on FaceTime. She's like, oh, you should do your hair like this. So that's how the style came about. Then I was like, oh yeah, this would be a good thing to show. So yes, here I am, just like I said, blowing through the ends. And I know for the people who do hair on a regular, I'm not supposed to do this because my hair is not just freshly washed. But hey, it doesn't really do anything to my hair, but kind of tame it a little bit. Yes, so here we go with the blow dry and everything like that. And at first it was so funny. I was trying to put a scrunchie to tie the two parts up, and it was just not working. But I think you guys already saw that. Well, I know you saw that already. So in order to be able to do the front, I'm just I said, okay, let me just put a scrunchie to the back. Sorry, that's Lumi. And yeah, so I'm just gonna blow them through, and then just take one side and just braid the cornrow down. I hate parting my hair. I don't know if anybody else just hates parting their hair, but I really hate parting my hair. Hey, so how's everybody doing? I don't know. My governor decided that he needed to extend our shelter in place until the end of April. So that's what we will still be doing, shelter in place, and of course working from home. We're on spring break until Monday, but then my school district decided that we're only going to do digital learning Monday through Thursday. That doesn't affect my school because we already were a Monday through Thursday program. But yes. Oh, so back to here. So anyway, here I decided, you know, I did it, but then I was like, I don't really like this braid. Let me try to do it over. So I did do it over. And then I told myself, oh, I was going to do some edge control because I was going to, you know, do something fancy to my edges, but I ended up doing that. I was like, forget that. And then I don't know. Yeah, this is where I caught myself and said, wait, I'm off the camera. But yeah, so and the braid is not even that tight. It's like really like just a loose braid, just something quick, so that you can pull it to the back. I'm sorry, I am having another conversation. But yeah, I hate braiding all the way to the end. I don't know why. Did I even do it? No. And then my phone just stopped. Why? Could you guys imagine? I have like the iPhone 10, and it's actually telling me that it spaces out, but I guess it's because I keep saving the videos on here. But so if anybody knows how to, I'm wondering, can I take the videos and put them on an external hard drive from my phone? If anybody knows how to do that, please let me know. But anyway, yes. So braiding down. And then I didn't have any Barbie pins when I did this style, so I'm literally just gonna tie it. I know, another bad hair thing, but believe me, I did end up taking this out once I got a Barbie pin. So I actually did this style to go out to the beauty supply store to get Barbie pins, and acetone to soak off the acrylic off my nails. But yes. All right, so excuse the tie. Like I said, it wasn't tight or anything. It was just something to put it back for the purpose of this video. And I did take it down. All right, so that is the style. I'm just gonna brush out the back, and I think it came out kind of cute. All right, guys, shout out to you. You made it to the end. Thank you again for watching. And as always, shout out to my babies, Mary, Martha, Charlotte, my little prince. I love you guys, and I love all my subscribers. Until my next video, bye, guys.